Hello, grade 7 learners. I am Sir Alnel, your math teacher for today. But before we start, I have some reminders for you. Please prepare your self-learning module, notebook, and pen. Relax and enjoy while learning mathematics. Before we start our discussion for today, let us review first the translation of verbal phrases to mathematical phrases.
Translate the following verbal phrase to a mathematical phrase by matching column A to column B. Write the letter of the correct answer on your answer sheet. Number 1. Twice a number increased by 20. Number 2. 3 subtracted from 2 times a number. Number 3. The ratio of 4 decreased by twice a number and 5. Number 4. The sum of 6 times a number and 2. Number 5. The sum of x and 1 decreased by the product of x and 9. You have 10 seconds to do this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, time is up. Let us check your answer. Twice a number increased by 20 is... If your answer is letter E, then you are correct. 2n plus 20. 3 subtracted from 2 times a number is... Very good, letter D, 2x minus 3. The ratio of 4 decreased by twice a number and 5 is... You got it, letter B, 4 minus 2x over 5. The sum of 6 times a number and 2 is... Excellent, letter A, 6x plus 2. The sum of x and 1 decreased by the product of x and 9 is of course letter C, x plus 1 minus 9x.
For those who got all the answers correctly, congratulations! You did a great job!
Look at this problem. Jana is 3 years older than Joy. The sum of their ages is 39. Find the age of Jana and Joy. Again, Jana is 3 years older than Joy. The sum of their ages is 39. Find the age of Jana and Joy. How will you solve this problem? How can you write this in algebraic expressions?
Our topic for today is all about problem solving involving algebraic expressions. And here are the steps in solving word problems involving algebraic expressions.
Step number 1. Read through the problem carefully and figure out what it is about. What is asked in the problem? What information do you already have? Step number 2. Represent unknown numbers with variables. Write the expressions or equations needed. Step number 3. Solve for the value of the variables. Step number 4. Write the answer. Does it answer the question to the problem? And step number 5. Check your answer. Let us take an example. Let us answer the problem that we had earlier. Jana is 3 years older than Joy. The sum of their ages is 39. Find the age of Jana and Joy. Again, Jana is 3 years older than Joy. The sum of their ages is 39. Find the age of Jana and Joy. Let us have the solution. Step 1. Read through the problem carefully and figure out what it is about. What do you think the problem is all about? Correct. The problem is asking the age of Jana and Joy. Step 2. Represent unknown numbers with variables. What do you think will be our variables? Let x be Joy's age, and x plus 3 is Jana's age, since Jana is 3 years older than Joy. So we'll add 3 to x. What do you think will be our equation? That's right. Our equation will be x plus quantity x plus 3 is equal to 39. Since the sum of their ages is 39. Step 3. Solve for the value of the variables. In solving, we obtain x plus quantity x plus 3 is equal to 39. Adding similar terms, we have 2x plus 3 is equal to 39. Subtracting both sides of the equation by 3, we have 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 39 minus 3. That is to eliminate 3 on the left side of the equation. We have now 2x is equal to 36. Now, divide both sides of the equation by 2. We have 2x over 2 is equal to 36 over 2. And that gives us x is equal to 18. Substitute the value of x. We have x equals 18, which is Joy's age, and x plus 3 is 18 plus 3 is equal to 21, which is Jana's age. Step 4. Write the answer. Jana's age is 21, while Joy's age is 18. Step 5. Check your answer. Based on the problem, it states that the sum of Jana's age and Joy's age must be equal to 39. Let us check. Jana's age, 21, plus Joy's age, 18, is equal to 39. Therefore, our answer is correct. Another example. Let us read. A garden plot is plowed to form a rectangle measuring 3a plus 5 meters in length by 2a meters in width. What is the area of the garden plot? Again, a garden plot is plowed to form a rectangle measuring 3a plus 5 meters in length by 2a meters in width. What is the area of the garden plot? Let us have the solution. The problem is asking the area of the garden plot. Representing unknown numbers with variables, we have the length is 3a plus 5 and the width is 2a. Step 3. Solve for the value of the variables. Since the formula in finding the perimeter of a rectangle is area is equal to length times width, we have area of the plot is equal to length times width. Substituting the values of length and width, we have the area of the plot is equal to quantity 3a plus 5 times 2a. Multiplying binomial by a monomial, area of the plot is equal to 3a times 2a plus 5 times 2a. And we will get the answer 6a squared plus 10a square meters. Step 4. Write the answer. The area of the garden plot is 6a squared plus 10a square meters. Step 5. Check your answer. Area of the plot is equal to length times width. Substituting the values, we have 6a squared plus 10a is equal to quantity 3a plus 5 times 2a. Simplifying the right side of the equation, we will get 6a squared plus 10a is equal to 6a squared plus 10a. Since the two sides of the equations are equal, it means that the answer is correct. Let us read the problem. Mary Grace is 10 years younger than her friend. If the sum of their ages is 60, how old is her friend? Again, Mary Grace is 10 years younger than her friend. If the sum of their ages is 60, how old is her friend? Number 1. What is being asked in the problem? You have 3 seconds to answer. That's correct. Age of Mary Grace's friend. Number 2. What expression represents the age of Mary Grace? You have 3 seconds to answer. Very good. X minus 10, since Mary Grace is 10 years younger than her friend. Number 3. Write an expression that represents the age of Mary Grace's friend. You have 3 seconds to answer. That's correct. X. Number 4. Write an expression that represents the sum of Mary Grace and her friend's age. What do you think will be our equation? You have 3 seconds to answer. That's correct. We have quantity x minus 10 plus x is equal to 60. Since Mary Grace's age is x minus 10 and her friend's age is x, and together the sum of their ages is 60. Number 5. What is the answer to the problem? How old is Mary Grace's friend? You have 3 seconds to answer. Excellent! Mary Grace's friend is 35 years old. In our next activity, all you have to do is fill in each blank with the correct word by arranging the jumbled letters. To solve word problems involving algebraic expressions, we need to follow the steps. First, read the problem blank. You have 3 seconds to answer. What is the word? Very good. The word is carefully. First, read the problem carefully. Then, represent the unknown blank with variables. Again, you have 3 seconds to answer. Can you guess the word? That's right. The word is numbers. Next, solve for the value of the blank. You have 3 seconds to answer. That's correct. The word is variables. After that, write your blank. What is the word? Your timer starts now. You are correct. The word is answer. Finally, don't forget to blank your answer. Can you guess the word? Your timer starts now. Okay, excellent. The word is check. Finally, don't forget to check your answer.
Again, here are the steps in solving word problems involving algebraic expressions. Remember this mathematics quotation. Math may not teach us how to add love or subtract hate, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. That ends our lesson for today. Thank you and God bless us all. Stay safe.